So after you open the package, this is the Davis Active waist trainer. This is how it comes. And here it is. Gonna try it on. Oh, it's tight. I order a medium. Seems like hard to get it on. And my stomach is empty right now, so I haven't eaten, but it's very, very tight. I'm thinking I should have ordered a large. I feel like once you put one and then the other comes off. So I still have a few here that are not completely closed. And this is the waist trainer. It's very tight on me. I feel it's extremely tight. It feels like a corset. So I don't know. I don't know if I ordered the correct size, but yeah, this is the Davis Active waist trainer. I do like the shape because I was looking for a waist trainer that will come all the way down. Usually waist trainers don't do that. They stay up to here. So I do like the fact that it has the style that I was always looking for. And I like that it's very, very thin in the back. I really like that. I don't know. I don't think I'm bloated because I just woke up. So I guess I'm gonna just maybe wear it for a few minutes a day until I can reach an hour. So it's extremely, extremely tight to me. And I have about a 29-inch waist. I do like how it feels and how it looks. I guess it's just a matter of getting used to it. But yes, there it is. The Davis Active waist trainer. Trying it for the first time. Just open the package. It's really tight though. All right, so I'll keep you guys posted. Bye. It's all the things you do.